Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how much money I've made from swing trading with $500. A lot of people think that you need thousands of dollars to get started with trading, when in reality, what you need is a solid strategy with good risk management. So we've been swing trading with $500 for about 16 weeks now. So we're going to be talking about how much money we made and how much money we've lost during this challenge. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, our strategies, our approach, everything when it comes with navigating swing trading, check out our school. It's awesome. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, what we do is we actually teach you to trade. We teach you how to find stocks. We teach you how to enter a position, how to have good risk management. So check it out down below. We have our Black Friday sale for 51% off, which is the largest sale we've done. So check it out down below. And guys, let's jump into this. So this past week here, we've taken one trade. When honestly, trading one stock is awesome. I would do that every single time. When the reason why I say that is it's always best to trade the best and leave the rest. So this past week here, we've taken one trade. We made about $104, which is awesome, bringing our total account to near and around $1,400 from $500. So this past week here was an 8% return, which honestly is a little bit higher. And I know that sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, what makes up a successful swing trader isn't these massive moves of 100, 200%. It's these small base hits, of 1, 2, 3% that just compound over the course of a year. That's what makes up a very, very successful trader here. So let's jump into the strategies. So the first thing I want to talk about here is the broker. So I've been getting a lot of people ask, and they say, Carter, what is the broker you have? So I use MOOMOO. They offer really great tools, indicators, scanners, and honestly, I've been using them for years, and I absolutely love them. I'll put a link to them down below, so if you guys want to sign up, feel free. This is where I've done my $500 account challenge. All right, so let's jump into this here. So the first thing I want to look at here is trends. So with this stock here that we recently took a position on is AEM. This stock has this great upward trend, which is always good. You want to make sure that you're getting in on a stock that has buying pressure. A lot of people think that with trading or investing, you'll find a stock on a downward trend and try to buy that dip. When yes, that does work well for maybe some long-term investments if a company has good fundamentals and they've gotten just some sell-off. But in most circumstances, finding a stock on an upward trend with buying pressure, good revenues, and has sold off to a support level is a very good strategy. So let's talk about what I mean by this. So you guys can see here, this blue line is something called the 90-day moving average line. This acts as support. It will also act as resistance. So when a stock falls below it, you guys can see it acts as resistance where it hits it. And we just have a hard time breaking above it here. So it sold off to it, and that's kind of where we got notified here. Also, the stock was trading for about a 28 on the RSI, which is the relative strength index, which tracks momentum. So the last time it was trading for a 28 was back in this range, where it was followed by great buying pressure. So now here we have a stock on an upward trend that is sold off to an undervalued point on the RSI, near and around that 90-day moving average line. So the last thing you want to do is enter a position and have it just continue, to sell off. So what do you look for? So there's several different approaches. So for me, I went to something called the hourly time frame. And one of the things here that I did here is we found this downward trend, right? You guys can see. So what I did is the stock popped up above it. We actually didn't even get notified here. We got notified up here. So, with trading, it's very difficult to buy at the peak bottom and sell at the peak top. You want to make sure there's confirmation, right? Because you don't want to buy a position and then just have it continue to sell off. So, the stock here popped up, sold off, started that trend as you guys can see, and then popped back up again. So we got in on that hit on that 90-day moving average line on the hourly time frame. So we had that good reversal, right? As you guys can see, we were able to take our position right near and around that 78.60 mark. And what's crazy is our average cost for our larger account was $78.50. So we actually got a better price with our larger account, which, you know, is fine because we traded it first, and then by the time we got in, the stock popped up a little bit. But, you know, why this is important here, breaking down, you know, our entry, is because you want to make sure you have a good stop loss, target, and then you also want a good risk and reward. So for the stop loss here, we kept it below that trend line. So if it does dip below that trend, it's a trend reversal, and our target is up near resistance, near and around $90, which gives a risk versus reward of 4.5. So let's kind of talk about why this is important here. So imagine you guys are starting out with $500, right? Just like how I did. You take one trade per week. You're risking, in this circumstance, we risk 2.7%, as you guys can see, with our stop loss, 2.7%. Now, the risk and reward is about 4.52. So let's put that into risk reward, 4.52. Okay, so now win-loss percentage. This is where having like a good trading journal, and I'll put a link to our digital trading journal, so if you guys want to get it, you guys can get it there. But having, you know, understanding your win-loss percentage is very important. But we'll just imagine your win-loss percentage is 40%, meaning, you know, out of 100 trades or out of 10 trades, you'll win on 4. Okay, so now let's average this out over the course of 1 year here. Hold on, not 4D. Out of the course of a year here, your end balance is going to be about $2,400. $2,400 from swing trading with $500, starting small, good risk and reward, good risk percentage, and imagine your win-loss percentage is 50% or even 60%. Look at this. Right? You guys can see how compounding really works with trading. And that's what I want to stress to you guys is it's not about these massive returns. It's about good risk management. It's about, you know, understanding everything about the stock you're in on. And yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know, hit that like button. Subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. You know, it's awesome. You know, we have a sale going on for 51% off. So sign up, click that link, sign up with MOOMOO so you guys can start trading with these tools like the risk versus reward calculator here and ratio. So hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and like always, guys, I know a lot of people will come to this video expecting, you know, to just fund a Robinhood account and start trading, when I really could stress one thing, and it's to learn as much as you can. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.